I'm going 80. I need to slow down. Okay, we're gonna go pick up a boat right now, as you probably already saw by the caption title. The caption title. Caption title. For 35. Come on, let's go.
Is it actually?
Yes, it is. There we go. Always be aware of your surroundings. Rule number 1. So we are, I don't know where we are. We're on Highway 10 in Minnesota. There's probably more than one Highway 10. So we are going to Rice, Minnesota, go look at a Craigslist boat. Or I guess not look at it, we're gonna go pick it up. I have to sneeze.
There's Deb.
That was awesome.
Yep, the time lapse going here. See that? It's right now at 2 minutes and 14 seconds. You can kind of
We got up this morning at like 5:30, and we packed up all of our camera crap, and got a couple shots in. Shots like drugs, you know. Yep, pop in the veins. Alright, so as you probably already read in the title, we are going to go pick up a Craigslist boat. It's a 14-foot something, we don't know yet. We woke up this morning at 5:30, and we went to bed last night at like 1:30. Solid 4 hours of sleep. It's great. According to my co-pilot Justin, we're about 25 minutes out. I'm going 83 in a 65. But anyways, so this seems like a decent time to cue the cinema. Hey guys, so we just got done making the purchase of the boat. It's got a Yamaha 4-stroke on it, which is actually pretty nice. It's a fairly new motor. Trailer lights don't work, but we'll live. We're gonna head on our way and head back home.
Okay guys, so we just picked up a 14-foot, don't know what brand it is, boat that's tan, probably for duck hunting or something like that. And then we have a 25 Yamaha 4-stroke on the back, fairly new, don't know what year. What we just picked up.
So yeah, we picked it up. We met the guy at an old bar, I think, and then made the exchange, did all that crap. Then we just swung to a gas station and filled up with gas. And now we're on our way home. And so we should be back hopefully by 11. Alright, so right now we are currently like 75-ish miles away from his house. I am exhausted. We've been up since 5:30 and it's only 9:40 right now, and it feels like it's 3. We still have the boat, which is good. We had to stop once to tighten up a ratchet strap and get a camera, but it is what it is, I guess. We had to take quite the detour to get back on the highway. Yeah. So it appears to be snowing, and it's February, I guess, obviously. And we've been pretty unfortunate with our snow so far, but it's snowing right now. So I'm not sure what's going on, but hey,